Need to update your charge-out rate? Know which rate to update. Not sure where to update your charge-out rate in Wise Owl? The right place depends on whether the change applies to your whole firm or just one user. Understanding the difference between global and per-user charge-out rates helps ensure your time entries are billed accurately and prevents unintended changes for other fee earners. Important reminder: before making any changes, decide whether the new charge-out rate applies to everyone in your firm or just one user. This will determine whether you update the global charge-out rates or a per-user charge-out rate. If the new rate applies firm-wide, go to Accounting and Finance, Lists, Charge-out Rates, then Global Charge-out Rates. Click Update Charge Rate Table, enter the new rate and effective date, then click Save. Important note: the effective date must be on or after the day following your last global charge-out rate entry. If needed, rates can also be backdated. If the rate change applies to just one user, go to the Settings and Tools cog, select Manage Users, then open the user's profile. Under the Time Billing tab, you'll see one of two options. If the user is currently using the global charge-out rates, the Edit Current Rates button will be disabled. If using personal rates, select Edit Current Rates. Click Update with New Rates to create a personal charge-out rate for that user. Once you've entered the new rate and effective date, click Save New Rates to apply the changes. That's it for updating charge-out rates in Wise Owl. Choosing the correct rate type helps ensure accurate billing while keeping your firm's pricing structure consistent. Stay tuned for more Wise Owl quick tips, and keep exploring Wise Owl Legal.